देखो ना इतना बड़ा हाथ है, हमारे हाथ तो छोटे हैं, छुप जाते हैं.
This is not the story of the He-Man of Bollywood. This is the story of the father his children just lost. And the story started in a small home in Punjab.
अब हमारे गांव में तो हम तो लड़कियों से हाथ भी नहीं मिलाते थे कभी.
Dharmendra once said he couldn't even tell his father he wanted to be an actor. His father, a strict school teacher, let him sleep beside him one winter night, but then asked him to recite tables. That memory shaped him, because it taught him that a father's love can be firm and still tender.
मम्मी हमेशा डरा के रखते थे हमको कि पापा गुस्से हैं. और पापा के पास जाते थे, पापा को पता भी नहीं मम्मी की हुआ क्या है.
With his first wife Prakash Kaur, he had 4 children, Sunny, Bobby, Vijita and Ajita. Years later, with Hema Malini, he had 2 more daughters, Isha and Ahana.
He's such a large-hearted person. He has been able to balance out both the sides beautifully.
Bobby slept in his parents' room until he was 14 so Dharmendra could keep him safe. Dharmendra didn't let Bobby attend Star Kids parties as he never liked the flashy film world. His daughters felt it too. Whenever he visited, Isha and Ahana would quietly change from jeans into salwar kameez, not out of fear but out of respect for their old school father.
I think he was just very possessive and protective as a father.
But there was one truth Dharmendra admitted only in his later years, a regret he carried. He wished Sunny and Bobby spent more time with him. He said they were scared of him, just the way he had once been scared of his father.
हमने वो तहजीब व तमद्दन जो माँ बाप ने मुझे सिखाया था मैंने इन्हें सिखा दिया, तो वो चल रहा है.
He remembered coming home late to find his parents waiting for a few minutes of his time, and he realized he was repeating the cycle. Dharmendra was a complex father, strict because how he was raised, loving because discipline without affection meant nothing, regretful because even legends wish they could do things differently.
I have yet to give something. I have yet to do something very close to life.
Today, as the industry says goodbye to a superstar, his children remember the man behind the stage.
And I think they don't make men like that today.
Mom.